Hello my dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. Please don't fail to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome to this presentation, and today we are going to look at the methods of determining solutions, or somebody can say roots of quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to, and we are saying that the standard form of a quadratic equation is given by the ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where a, b and c are constants. And we assume a quadratic equation of this form has a solution or roots. Then we say that there are 4 methods of solving it. Let's now look at the first one. The first method, we are calling it the factorization method. And under this factorization method, we said that before you attempt to factorize, you make sure that there is a 0 on the right hand side. And we should take note of that. Not all quadratic equations can be solved by this method. It's just a few of them. Not all quadratic equations can be solved by this method. We are saying completing square method. Under this completing squares, we say that we first transfer the constant term to the side of the quadratic equation, to the other side of the quadratic equation. So we transfer the constant term to the right hand side of the quadratic equation. Then step 2, we make the coefficient of x squared to become 1 by dividing through by a. After that, we add on each side the square of the half the coefficient of x on both sides of the equation. Then we factorize the left hand side and proceed to find the values of the value, which could be in x or maybe y. But for this case, as we saw, the value is x. Then let's go to method 3, the use of quadratic formula. We say that a quadratic formula is of the form x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, the whole of it divided by. So this is the method we use to solve for any variable in a given quadratic equation. So it is x equals to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, the whole of it divided by. Let's now jump over to the fourth and the last method of solving quadratic equation. And we are saying this is the graphical method. And under this graphical method, what we do, we draw a table of values, some values which can easily be plotted for a given equation, which is a quadratic equation. Thereafter, we now find the points which are now the coordinates to be plotted, and they are going to be in xy form, and we plot them on the graph. And thereafter plotting them, we draw a curve using a free hand and then come up with a parabola or a curve. And we are saying that we record the values which are on the x-axis at which the curve cuts the line y is equal to 0 or cuts the x-axis. And thanks for watching.